In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Planner board. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and look for the option labeled Create a Plan. This is where you begin setting up a new board for your project, team workflow, or personal task tracking. Once you click it, Planner will give you a couple of different ways to build your board depending on how much structure you want from the start. One option is to start from scratch. This is a good choice if you want full control over your board and prefer to create your own buckets, tasks, and organization manually. Starting from scratch gives you a blank foundation, which can be helpful when your process is very specific or when you do not want any pre-built structure. The other option is to choose a template. Templates are especially useful if you want to save time and work from a ready-made setup. They usually include a basic structure that matches common project types, so instead of building everything manually, you can begin with something already organized and then customize it to fit your needs. If you decide to use a template, go ahead and browse through the available options. Take a moment to select the one that best matches the kind of board you want to create. Choosing the right template at this stage can make the rest of the setup much faster and easier because it gives you a starting point that is already aligned with your workflow. After selecting your template, click Use Template. This tells Planner that you want to create your new board based on that layout. Before finishing, you will usually have the chance to change the name of the plan. Make sure to give it a clear and recognizable name so it is easy to find later, especially if you manage multiple plans. Once you have updated the name, click Use Template again to confirm and create the board. After that, Planner will take you directly to your new board. At this point, your Microsoft Planner board is ready to use. If you started with a template, you should now see the pre-built structure already in place. If you started from scratch, you will have a blank board ready for customization. A simple tip here is to name your board based on the project, team, or purpose, so it stays easy to manage over time. And that's it. You've successfully created a Microsoft Planner board and you're ready to start organizing tasks, tracking progress, and managing your work more efficiently.